My video guide is about removing the new ransomware from the Mzqw ransomware family, and this ransomware is called Mzqw. Mzqw is the ransomware that encrypts files and appends this Mzqw extension to the file names. My video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. I will simply show you what happens because of this ransomware and its effect on the files. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open our files without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. All that can be opened easily without troubles. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular Mzqw ransomware may be pretty easily injected. Very soon after people restart their computers, they suddenly realize that they cannot use their data anymore. This ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. And so they soon notice that this special Mzqw extension has been appended to the file names. Whenever people try to open the specific file, they get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Mzqw additionally appended extension. When people try to open the file by removing that additionally appended extension, they still have no luck. The files are still damaged and encrypted. Unfortunately, this is what happens. As I said, people try to open this specific file, and this is the message that they get. Mzqw is the extension appended to the file names. The ransomware then tells its victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware. We suggest that you use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com, download this software, install it, and start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in this mode. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. And then, at the end of the scanning, Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact location on the system. I recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future from any other possible ransomware or malware attacks. So wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. And Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to protect your files from being damaged in the future.